Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. That's normally where I get my phones. I have bought a couple from Mercari before, but didn't have very good luck with the sellers I apparently chose. So most of my most of my phones are bought on eBay, as I just seem to have better luck with them. So here it is. It is a Verizon phone. It's a Pantech PN-820. And although it is a flip phone, it is running Windows Mobile. Looks like it does have some charge in it. So it actually got a decent feel to it. Build construction wise, usually Pantech phones feel really cheap to me for some reason. This one feels really good. Not too much flex in the body. It feels like it's built really good, surprisingly. So there is Windows Mobile startup. Also got a couple drop test videos I'm working on editing, and as soon as I get them done, they'll be posted. It's just taking time to edit them. So there you go. It does work. There we go. It's got beat up a little bit. So there you go, fully functional. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.